Microbial remediation is often treated as a surface-level task, focused only on what can be seen. But when technicians are handling Category 2, Category 3, and mold projects, there is a lot more at stake than visible damage. Without proper training, these jobs can become unsafe, inconsistent, and difficult to manage. That can lead to cross-contamination, failed clearance, and work that is hard to justify or get paid for. The Applied Microbial Remediation Technician course at REIT's Drying Academy is built to prepare technicians for these situations with practical, real-world training. In this class, students learn how to properly assess contamination, determine affected materials, and decide when containment is needed. The course covers how to set up containment, control airflow, and prevent cross-contamination during Category 2, Category 3, and mold remediation projects. Students also learn proper cleaning techniques, documentation practices, and how to apply the IICRC S500 and S520 standards on actual jobs, not just in a manual. The focus is on making better decisions in the field, protecting the structure, protecting the people involved, and completing work that is safe, defensible, and profitable. AMRT at REITs is hands-on, practical, and focused on what technicians actually face on the job. Train in person with experienced instructors who bring real-world experience into the classroom. Get your AMRT certification with REIT's Drying Academy and reserve your seat today.